To schedule Zopa online banking, start by logging into your Zopa account using your username and password. Once you have accessed your account, navigate to the Payments or Transfers section, where you will find the option to schedule a payment. Select the account you want to make the payment from and the account you want to pay. Then enter the payment amount and the date you want the payment to be made. You can choose to make a one-off payment or set up a recurring payment, which can be weekly, monthly, or annually. When scheduling a payment, make sure to check the payment details carefully, including the payment amount, payment date, and the accounts involved. It is also important to ensure that you have sufficient funds in your account to cover the payment, as failed payments can result in fees or penalties. To confirm the payment, review the payment details and click the Confirm button. You will then receive a confirmation message to let you know that the payment has been scheduled successfully. It is a good idea to keep a record of your scheduled payments, including the payment amount and date, so you can keep track of your transactions. You can also set up payment reminders or notifications to alert you when a payment is due to be made. By following these steps, you can easily schedule Zopa online banking payments and manage your finances more efficiently. Remember to always check your account regularly to ensure that your payments are being made correctly and that you have sufficient funds to cover your transactions. Scheduling online banking payments with Zopa is a convenient and secure way to manage your finances. And by taking the time to understand how to use this feature, you can make the most of your account and stay on top of your money.